Hey everyone, Brandt here. I wanted to show you my latest collection that I made exclusively for Avoto. Of course, you can use it in Photoshop, but I wanted to make collections for our stand store that makes it super easy to drag and drop in Avoto. You can see this Christmas image here that there looks like there's snow falling. Here's an example. Here's another example. If we look at before and after, here's the before, here's the after. Here's another example, before and after, and another example. You can see that the differences sometimes are just very subtle. These are the textures, and so if we look through these 25 textures, well, you can call them textures, overlays, bokeh, whatever you want to call them, and all of these are ready to go. So in Avoto, I'm going to show you this image that I have. So here's the beach image, okay? So all we do is we just click here and upload your texture, right? We've already done that. So once you do that, here it is. Now, once you put it on, you're going to see it doesn't look right. It looks really weird, right? So come down here, whether you choose subject and related objects, or subject related objects and non-connected objects, which is what you want because then it's the whole scene. Then of course what you always want to do is do retain shadows, get those shadows under the feet, and then from here decide what your opacity is. Do you want it all the way so they're at the beach so it's just a little bit, or do you want to kind of create a completely different scene? I kind of like how on this one, if I go all the way, it's giving me a completely different scene. I think it looks really good. So you just have to decide kind of what level that you want to do. You can, as all backgrounds, make them bigger, smaller, left or right. And it's that simple. It takes seconds to do, and it'll just kind of enhance those wonderful images that you do this season. The great news is with the Avoto, you can hit sync and sync multiple images. So enjoy. Make sure you tag me if you use them.